Yes, Bon Appetit is here at Chili's in Jacksonville, Texas, with a chicken pasta dinner, chicken enchilada soup. The chicken pasta with the garlic bread. The garlic bread is old, been out in the refrigerator probably a long time. It tastes horrible. The pasta is very good and the sauce. The chicken, mm-mm-mm. The chicken has been out a while. In the soup too. This is Lisa. Bon appetit.